Have you ever wondered how people are making thousands of dollars online without ever leaving their homes? The truth is, making money online isn't just a dream anymore. It's a reality for millions. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start, even if you have zero experience. From passive income streams to AI-powered tools, we're covering proven methods that are working right now. I've spent years studying online business models, and these are the real strategies that deliver results. So before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because at WealthSprint, we're committed to helping you build smarter income streams and take control of your financial future. Why most people fail to make money online? Let's face it, most people are stuck in a cycle. Work, bills, sleep, repeat. You work hard, but the paycheck barely stretches to the end of the month. You scroll past stories of people making money online and think, that could never be me. But the problem isn't you. It's the system you were taught to follow. You were told to trade time for money, get a 9 to 5, and hope for a raise. What if you could break out of that? What if you could build multiple income streams that work for you, not the other way around? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. Proven ways to make money. Online in this video, we'll walk through 7 powerful ways to make money online. No fluff, no hype. From affiliate marketing to freelancing, faceless YouTube channels, and selling digital products. These methods are beginner-friendly, scalable, and can be started with little to no money. You'll also learn how to use AI tools to speed up your progress and multiply your results. Let's break down each strategy, starting with one of the most passive. Affiliate marketing. Earn while you sleep. Imagine earning money while you're at the gym, asleep, or on vacation. That's the power of affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products using a special link, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Simple as that. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale have thousands of products ready for you to promote. You don't need to create anything. Just share valuable content that helps people make a buying decision. For example, you could create a blog, YouTube video, or even a simple Instagram post reviewing a product. Every time someone clicks and buys, you get paid. Start now, choose a niche you're interested in, fitness, tech, personal finance, and sign up for a free affiliate program. Why it works? It's scalable and passive. Once your content is online, it keeps working for you 24/7. That's how people are making thousands every month with just a few well-placed links. Freelancing. Get paid for your skills, don't want to wait for passive income to build? Then freelancing is your fastest path to making money online. If you can write, design, code, edit videos, or even manage social media, you already have something people will pay for. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com connect you with clients all over the world. You set your rates, choose your projects, and work from anywhere. Let's say you're good at writing. Offer blog posts or product descriptions. If you know Canva or Photoshop, offer logo or social media design. The demand is massive, and clients are looking for talent daily. Start now. Create a professional profile, add a few examples of your work, even if they're made up, and start sending proposals. Why it works? It's flexible, fast, and you get paid for what you already know. Plus, many freelancers turn this into full-time income, even 6 figures, without a traditional job. Start a faceless YouTube channel. Think YouTube requires showing your face? Think again. Faceless YouTube channels are booming, and they're incredibly profitable. You can create videos using voiceovers, stock footage, animations, or even AI-generated visuals. Popular niches include finance, motivation, tech, storytelling, and productivity. These channels make money through AdSense, affiliate links, and even brand deals, all without ever stepping in front of a camera. Imagine earning revenue every time someone watches a video you uploaded months ago. Start now, choose a niche. You'd write short scripts, record a voiceover or use AI voices, and combine it with visuals using free tools like Pictory, Canva, or CapCut. Why it works? YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. One viral video can generate thousands in passive income. And with consistency, even small channels can become full-time businesses, anonymously. Sell digital products you create. What if you could create something once and sell it an unlimited number of times with zero inventory? That's the beauty of digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, guides, or even Notion planners. Once created, they cost nothing to reproduce and can be delivered instantly to the buyer. Let's say you're good at organizing, you could create a digital planner. If you're a designer, build resume templates or social media kits. You can sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Start now. Choose a problem your target audience faces and create a solution in digital form. Keep it simple. Even a one-page checklist can sell. Why it works. It's highly profitable with no shipping or production costs. You control the price, the audience, and the brand. And best of all, it's passive. Your digital product can keep selling while you sleep. Binge, print on demand, no inventory. Want to run an online store without worrying about inventory or shipping. Print on demand makes it possible. You design products like t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, or posters, and companies like Printful or Teespring handle the printing, packing, and delivery for you. All you have to do is upload your designs and promote your storefront. When someone places an order, the company prints and ships it. You keep the profit margin. You don't need to be a designer either. Tools like Canva make it easy to create professional designs quickly, even with no experience. Start now. Pick a niche, create 5-10 basic designs, and upload them to a platform like Teespring. Then promote on social media or through a free blog. Why it works. There's zero upfront cost. You never touch the product. And with a few winning designs, your store can start generating steady, hands-free income. Dropshipping. Build a store. Without stock, imagine owning an online store without ever handling a single product. That's the power of dropshipping. Here's how it works. You create a store, list products from suppliers like AliExpress, and when a customer orders, the supplier ships directly to them. You never hold inventory. Your job is marketing and customer service. Use platforms like Shopify with apps like DSers or Zendrop to automate the process. Find trending products with strong demand and low competition. Start now. Choose a niche, for example, pet accessories or fitness gear. Set up a simple Shopify store, connect to a supplier, and test a few products using TikTok or Instagram ads. Why it works. There's low startup cost, high scalability, and minimal risk. You can test products fast, pivot quickly, and focus your energy on what works. Many successful entrepreneurs started with just $100 and grew to 6 figures. Dropshipping is one of the fastest ways to learn e-commerce with real-world results. 7. Use AI tools to multiply your income. Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech experts anymore. It's your new business partner. Tools like ChatGPT can help you write content, generate product ideas, or even script YouTube videos. Pictory can turn blog posts into videos automatically. Copy.ai can craft ad copy, emails, and product descriptions in seconds. With AI, what used to take hours now takes minutes. You can run multiple online income streams at once: content creation, affiliate marketing, freelancing, and automate most of it. Start now, choose one income stream from earlier, say affiliate marketing, and use ChatGPT to write product reviews. Use Canva AI to design a thumbnail, and Pictory to turn your review into a video. Why it works. You save time, increase productivity, and scale your efforts faster than ever before. AI levels the playing field. You don't need a team or advanced skills. Just strategy and execution. This is how modern solopreneurs win online. Smart tools, simple systems, and consistent action. What's holding you back? You've just learned 7 powerful ways to make money online. And here's the truth. None of them work unless you do. Too many people wait for the perfect time, the perfect idea, or the perfect plan. But success doesn't come from waiting. It comes from starting, learning, and adjusting as you go. You don't need to master all 7. Pick just one. Take one action today, even something small, and you're already ahead of 95% of people who never start. Every day you hesitate is a day you could have been growing your income, building freedom, and gaining confidence. Remember, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to become great. Take the first step. Now, if you found value in this video, do 3 quick things. Like it, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling me which method you're going to try first. Your engagement helps this message reach more people, and it lets me know what kind of content you want more of. And hey, if you're serious about building income online, this channel is where we turn ideas into income. Don't miss what's coming next. The journey to financial freedom doesn't start with luck, talent, or timing. It starts with a choice. And today, you made it by watching this video. The tools are here. The opportunities are real. The question is, will you act? You don't need permission to succeed online. You just need a plan, some action, and the belief that your future can be different from your past. Thanks for watching. Now go build the life you deserve. You've got this.